Morning everybody, CryptoStrang here. Following on from previous videos, I spoke very fondly about OKX. I think it's a wonderful exchange, a real high quality exchange. I've had quite a few people in the last couple of weeks who've joined it, using my referral link. I genuinely do appreciate that. They've reached out to me and said they've just literally got into crypto. They've heard about this bear market. Obviously their friends have told them about, the potential with the next bull market. So anyway, they've said, how do I go about actually getting my first ever crypto? So because I've had literally quite a few requests, I thought I'd just do a very quick video, basically from start to basically buying that crypto using your fiat you've deposited. So we'll go through it. You see on the screen there, OKX, the layout. I think it's a wonderful dashboard. We've gone through it many times before. You can see all the different sections here, discover the markets, the trade. There's a lot part of their trading section, the grow, the build. Talk about very fondly about their own token, the OKB, I think is absolutely fantastic, as well as the OKC as well. Spoke about it many times on dedicated videos and that. Also got the learn section, the more. You can see the pull bit they've got there. I think it's really good. But also proof of reserves. Now they've created this section here, which again I think is absolutely fantastic. It's become very prevalent, isn't it? It's obviously since the FTX collapse and the disaster that's caused the crypto industry and the confidence in exchanges. Many exchanges are doing this proof of reserves, but OKX have proven it as well. But as I say, to me, this is a wonderful exchange. I know I've done quite a few videos on OKX, so I'm just going to go quickly through it. So if you already know how to do it, this video won't be much use to you, but this certainly helps if you're literally just getting into crypto. Okay, so you go here, you've got the layout, and obviously you've got a simple bit there, buy crypto. Buy with cards, your Visa, your MasterCard, and there'll be others. Also the P2P trading, buy, sell at your own rate, and third-party payment, where you can use banks and Simplex. That's the two I've used before. Third-party payment, but obviously you've got that fee in between as well. So anyway, so if you go on here, hit that bit, buy crypto. Now you can see here, buy. So obviously, British pounds, £150 will give me 180.29 tether. Okay, now this is what it states. So what you do is obviously you put that in, you state there. Okay, so it takes you on to the next screen. You can see there. Now I've already added a card on here. Now if it's your first ever time depositing, you have to add your card. Now send you an email to confirm it. So basically that's on there. Now it's really simple here. Now obviously you don't use, I'm personally not going to use Mercurio or Banxa because obviously I'm going direct with my debit credit card. Okay, now with a slight fee, you can see I'm actually going to get 178.87. So still a wonderful rate. Now, just give a quick overview of what people obviously say about what's the best exchange. Now, they're pretty much all similar. Okay, now, for instance, I've showed KU coin on the screen here. For the same thing, £150, I'd get 176 tether. Okay, now on Gate, I'd get 178 tether. So it's a very fine line between all these exchanges. Okay, now, so you've done that. I'll go through, obviously, do the page, buy it, simple as that. You go through. Now, I say there's not many companies here in the UK you can actually go on a crypto exchange and buy it. You tend to have to do a lot of bank transfers. However, I do own a Marks and Spencer's credit card, which does accept crypto payments. There's not many others, to be honest. Also, I used to have a Creation, Marriott MasterCard. I've had a Tesco credit card in the past, and they both don't work anymore. However, obviously using a credit card to buy crypto, again, you must do your own research. It's certainly not financial advice. People talk about the bull market. Who knows when it will be? Okay, so you must do your own research. There's no guarantee of results. So you go through there, simply buy it now. Once you've got it, you've got it in your overview. Okay, scroll here. You can see there I've got it, 178 tether. Now, quite a few exchanges do this. KU Coin, for example, do this as well. So it's under you've got to go funding and trading. So basically, what I've got to do, I've just got to hit there and hit transfer. So that 178 tether is on. You can see there from the funding account to the trading account. Now, obviously, you can do a specific amount if you want to keep it on, your funding account. But obviously, I want to transfer it. Owning tether to me is not going to do me a great deal because obviously I just want to get myself as a real low cap gem in this bear market. There's so much on OKX. I'll show you all the different ones here. You can get some real low cap gems, as I say. But it all depends what you want to buy. Again, do your own research. Now, I say there is a referral link below. Do appreciate anyone who uses my link, does support the channel. But you can see I want to transfer all. Okay, so I'll do that from funding to trading account. Now, transfer. Complete, just like that. Now, I can go and actually trade for what I want. Now, you go on here, different bits. You can do the convert, which is very quick, or the basic trading, the one we're all used to, the standard layout on most exchanges. Okay, so you've got here now. There's many ones that I like at the moment, say some real low cap gems on here, but for instance, I love OKB. Their own token, I think, is absolutely fantastic. And also the OKC, which is also known as OKT, is another one, which is absolutely fantastic. These are the ones I'm sort of buying at the moment. You can, let's do like Near Protocol, another great one. But what I've been doing literally this week is building up on my Cadena, whatever you want to say it. Okay, so I really do like this. So you can see here, I'm going to hit that. Now, as you scroll down, it's really easy the way to do this. Now, obviously, I've transferred. When I bought that £150 worth of Tether, obviously, it gave me Tether when I bought it. Now I've transferred it to my trading account, so I've got it on here. It stays there. You can see there, 178 Tether. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy 100% KDA. And you can see at the moment, 1.02 USDT. It's basically about 85 pence each at the moment. Now, I spoke very fondly about Cadena. Done another dedicated video recently. Last highest price we've had is $28. Now, I've done a video before when it's just a few dollars, and I took some great profits at $20. Actually, going to end up going up to $28. So I'm very bullish about Cadena long term, especially in this bull market. So to me, it's a wonderful opportunity to accumulate some more. So you can see there. So I've hit the 100%. So I want to use all my Tether I've got to get myself more KDA, which is actually going to give me 173 KDA. Now, if you put that in perspective of the last all-time high, you can see that £150, who knows where it will be in the next bull run, but you could easily have £5,000 plus. Okay, now that depends on a lot of things. Obviously, layer one blockchain, there is so much competition. Hopefully, KDA will keep progressing like I really strongly believe it do, like my previous video, really high hopes, but obviously, again, it's no guarantee whatsoever. So time will tell, we might have never lower price yet to KDA. Who knows where this market is going? So I'm just going to hit this now so you can see 1.028 USDT, give me 173 KDA. And all you have to do is hit buy KDA, set the price. You obviously got the price down the side here. Now, if you want to do an instant, you've also got these different sections of trading stop, trigger, advanced limit. But just do a basic buy you can do here. Now, sooner or later, we'll go through. Just hit buy KDA, gives them a thing, confirm I want to do that. There you go, order place. Okay, so it's now in the order book. It will go through sooner or later. So I've just got myself another 173 KDA. Very easy to do, but as I say, when you're just getting involved with crypto and you go on exchange for the first time, it's not exactly easy, is it, to get your head around it. So I say all the messages I've had lately on Instagram, through my Telegram as well, people just want that basic video. This is like a quick way, a very quick video on basically getting your first ever crypto. However, I appreciate sometimes you can hit them stumbling blocks and something doesn't go through, so don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact details are below. Email me, info@cryptostrang.com. Contact me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. All my social media links below, so don't hesitate to reach out, okay? This is a fantastic opportunity, in my personal opinion, in this bear market to accumulate. So time will tell. Who knows when the next bull market will be? Will it be late 2023, early 2024, or even late 24? Who knows? Time will tell. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.